In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. The fastest way to manage auto rotation is by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access all of your shortcuts. When you're ready, look for Auto Rotate one, which is this one with 2 arrows. Click on it, and if it's white, that means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut, this time to make it gray. If you have a bit more time, you can also go into Settings. Scroll to tap on Display section available here. And scroll all the way down to use this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen. This way you can turn it on or switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!